Living in Minnesota can be tough. Last week, the temperature was 50 degrees, but 2 days ago, we experienced a snowstorm. I guess it's time to shovel. This year looks different. I have snow boots. Big thank you to my in-laws for the birthday gift. Now, it's time to get the gloves to keep my hands warm. We meet again, shovel. I'm not ready to go outside, but we go anyways. Let's get those gloves on. And then we start. We have an electric shovel that works wonders, but I thought the snow was going to be easier to move. I was wrong. I've committed at this point. By now, I'm regretting not getting the electric shovel, not because it's harder, but because I would have been done by now. It saves so much time. So, welcome to Minnesota, land of 10,000 lakes and snow. Do you like to shovel?